Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today I will explain what the Ring of Fire is in 5 minutes. If you don't know, it's a spot in the Pacific Ocean made from volcanoes. 75% of the volcanoes on Earth, to be exact. And if you don't know how volcanoes work, the magma, like when it forms, it has there's a moment when it has no space. When it has no space, the pressure just makes it go up. That's kind of how it works. So the Ring of Fire is in the Pacific Ocean along from South America to the continent of Oceania. And it reaches countries like United States, Japan, Chile, Peru, countries in the Pacific Ocean like that. And yesterday at 12, I was awake, and there was an earthquake, 8.8 earthquake, I think, or in this peninsula of Russia. And then minutes and seconds later in Japan. I don't know if I'm doing it in order, but and then in Alaska, tsunamis in Alaska, and then in California, Los Angeles to be exact. Luckily, I'm not where it is. I live in this part where the circle thing is, but yeah. And also in Hawaii, I forgot to mention. But this part is so with Google Maps. And basically, the Ring of Fire is shaped like a horseshoe crab. If you guys don't know what a horseshoe crab is, a type of crab which is like a dinosaur. Not like a dinosaur, but it's way older than a dinosaur. So basically over there. Then Japan. Japan is known for having tsunamis. And then Alaska. I don't know. I think if it reaches Alaska, it had to reach Canada. But look, in Los Angeles, right here. In their circle, somewhere in the circle. And look, volcanic eruptions in countries like Indonesia, I forgot to mention that, Russia, and the Philippines. And major earthquakes as content possibility in locations like California and Japan. So it doesn't say anything. So if you don't know how tsunamis are formed, it's basically when a fault moves, when there's an earthquake or volcanic eruption, and it goes like that, and then the faults move, which makes it move. And if you're not sure and the water is away from the sand, be careful, because it's probably surrounding a tsunami is heading straight head at you. So yeah, I found this sample on YouTube of how it forms. When it happens, you cannot stop it. So I got to Google Maps, and we can see that Alaska and Russia are pretty close. I didn't know that. Yeah, I don't know how much times I showed when this is, but it's what it is. So I'm pretty sure if it hit that part of California, it had to hit Mexico, at least 1 inch. But if I'm okay, because I think if you're here and just you see this line, yeah, I think if you're in the other part, you're safe. So yeah, so that's what happened, guys. So subscribe, like, and stay safe. Bye.